Presenting the boAt 170 portable Bluetooth speaker. With 5-watt RMS output, this speaker delivers immersive sound to enhance your movie watching and music playback experience. This portable speaker has a lightweight design and is IPX6 water and splash resistant. It comes with an inbuilt mic for receiving calls. The speaker comes with true wireless function, allowing you to connect two speakers simultaneously. It is packed with 1800 mAh battery that delivers a playback time of up to 6 hours. The battery gets fully charged in around 2.5 hours. boAt 170 comes with Bluetooth, AUX, and SD card connectivity. It comes with integrated controls to manage your music and calls. The speaker is available in black, camo green, cobalt blue, electric blue, and mysterious maroon color variants. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.